Kolkata's tiger Sourav Ganguly, better known as Dada, is roaring all over the web. A video trailer tagging him as the man who needs no introduction has become the talk of the town. Titled as Ganguly the movie, it was anticipated to be a trailer of an upcoming film and has got more than 2.5 lakh hits in just 3 days. Well, even if you have contributed to these hits as a hardcore Dada fan, here's the news that may disappoint your eagerness. Reportedly, the trailer is not exactly that of a movie, but for an upcoming commercial of a leading health insurance brand that he endorses. Reports suggest that the dramatic changes in Ganguly's life have inspired the insurance company to feature the ups and downs, the success and motivation in life in the form of a trailer and depict it as a love story between Ganguly and his fans. Well, it was indeed an innovative attempt at promotion, but the news of it being for a TV commercial and not for a movie would surely not go down well with his fans. This is Kritika Korat for Rajshri.com. The hot and sexy Koina Mitra created a rage among the audience last year after her steamy kiss with American actor Kevin Sorbo in her international debut, The Story of Naomi. This time around, once again, the hot lass is creating buzz as recently she stated that she is even ready to go nude if the script demands. The sizzling Mitra, while at an event in Delhi, said that she doesn't find anything wrong with sex scenes in films. In addition to that, it has been said that she had to give 10 auditions before she bagged the coveted role in the Hollywood film. Reportedly, Koina plays the film's bisexual protagonist who has an affair with the film's male lead as well as a woman. A close buddy reveals that Koina is more inclined towards Hollywood ventures rather than Bollywood, but if she gets a good story, she will leave no stone unturned to do some hot and steamy sequences along with her patent item numbers too. This is a bureau report by Rajshri.com.
It's a moment of celebration for Bollywood actor John Abraham as he will not be jailed in the long-pending rash driving case of 2006. As per reports, the Bombay High Court said that Abraham should be given the benefit of the Probation Offenders Act since this was his first offence. In addition to it, the court has ordered the actor to pay a sum of Rs 10,000 to the victim's family as a part of compensation. Well, John had injured 2 pedestrians in 2006 while riding his bike in Mumbai, post that he was sentenced to 15 days imprisonment in 2010. And very recently, the Bombay High Court granted him bail after the Session Court upheld the 15-day sentence. This is Abhishek Haldar for Rajshri.com.